Umsolwa oneminyaka engama-35 ubudala uvele enkantolo yemantshi yasePitoli namhlanje ebhekene necala lokubulala uLoveness Makgabe. Isidumbu sakhe satholakala sishisiwe nokuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho. Kanti usilaxazile isicelo sakhe sebheyili.
The accused did unlawfully and with intent to defeat or obstruct the course of justice commit an act to it by burying the body of Loveness Makgabe after killing her and or tampering with video footage, which act defeated or obstructed the administration of justice.
Umphakathi uthi usuhlalele ovalweni njengoba kutholakala ezinye izidumbu zabesifazane zibulewe ngendlela efanayo kusukela ngoNhlangulana kule ndawo. Kepha uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA luthi okwamanje abukho ubufakazi obuyamanisa umsolwa nokubulawa kwalaba abanye besifazane.
We understand that there are bodies that have been discovered of burnt bodies of women, but we cannot say that this is this accused. As it stands right now, this accused is facing that one count of murder and he has another charge of a separate charge of rape in another case.
Izishoshovu zomphakathi nezakhamuzi bafuna ubulungiswa.
We are here in pursuit of justice. We are here because we are mourning as women. It is Women's Month and we are never celebrated. Instead, we are killed. We are here today to ask the justice system that let there be no bail for these perpetrators.
Amaphoyisa athi umsolwa ube ngaphandle ngebheyili ngelinye icala lokudlwengula. Umsolwa usagcinwe esitokisini.